How to earn money using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to canva.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now, Canva is a designing tool which is available online and it has all the right features and tools that we look for. We can edit videos on using Canva. We can create logos, presentations, photos, t-shirts, whatever we want to create. Canva has different options for us. Now, Canva is used for different purposes, but we can make money using Canva, and there are a lot of ways to make money using Canva. It helps you make thousands of dollars, and it is completely free to use as well if you go with the free version. So let's jump into it. The first way to make money on Canva is through Canva affiliate program. Now, it is one of the most easiest program that I have seen out there. What you need to do is simply go to canva.com/affiliates. Now, this is one of the opportunities to earn money with Canva Pro. So what happens is that you can register as a Canva affiliate. You don't need any investment or anything. You just register for it. And then after that, you have to promote Canva Pro. Canva has a Pro version. There is a Canva free version that you can use, but there is also a Canva Pro that has thousands of millions of different photos and videos for us, and it has more options and features. So it of course has a plan. So what you need to do is you just become an affiliate for Canva and you have to promote Canva. Now you can use any kind of platform. If you are a YouTuber, if you are a blogger, if you even use TikTok, you can use Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, use any kind of social media, any kind of platform to promote your Canva Pro link. And you will let people know that you can sign up for Canva Pro. And you will give them a link. Once they sign up or they buy Canva Pro with your given link, you will be able to make money. You can make up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber. Let's say even if my friend subscribed to, Canva Pro, and I will be able to make $36 with it and with your unique referral link. So again, if I am a YouTuber or if I'm any kind of TikToker, I can just add this link in my description and I'll be like, okay, you go ahead and sign up for Canva Pro. People will sign up for it and I'll make $36 with each sign up. So this is actually really easy affiliate program out there. For beginners, I would really suggest checking out Canva affiliate program. So this is one of the ways and one of the best ways to make money using Canva. Now let's go back to canva.com and let's say that you do not want to do referral, or if you have referral, right? I do have my link as well, but I want to make more money. So how to use Canva for it? Now what you need to do is I will suggest going out and checking out any of the freelancing platform. You can go for Upwork and Fiverr. These two are pretty good. I have opened up fiverr.com right now. So fiverr.com is a freelancing platform and it has different gigs and it has different jobs for us. Now you can see right here the categories. The first category is graphic designing, and in graphic designing the first thing is logo design. Even if we check out the last thing right here, it is invitation design. It has website designs, NFT. We have social media designs, fashion designs, image design, and t-shirt design, right? They're looking for different people who would create these designs and logos for them. And if I take you to Canva now and we check out different options on Canva, we can create photo designs, we can create social media designs, we can create flyers, logos, postcards, shirts. Then we have YouTube banners, planners, resumes, presentations, and more. So now you see how easy it is to make money using Canva. If I even go to logo design right here. So in logo design, they're actually paying different people to make designs for them, and the payment is going to be $50 to hundreds of dollars per hour. What I can do now is, for example, I'll go right here on Fiverr and I will get a job where they are paying me $30 per hour. Okay, let's just go with $30. I'll come back to Canva, and what I can now do is I can just simply go to right here and I will open up logo design. and it will open up the logo design canvas for me right here. And now I can design a logo for the company that they hired me. And you can also use different, templates available on Canva. For example, what I can do is I can use this template if I want, and I can customize it the way I like, and I can actually change the template style. I can change the colors, of course, to, make it unique for them, and, so that they will actually get something original. So you can change this one right here, or if you are good, you can create one yourself. We can change a background color from here, and then we have different text available that will allow me to add different fonts. We have different, sizes available. In elements, there are hundreds to thousands of elements available: stickers, lines and shapes, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids. Everything is available right here, and what I can do is I can use it to design a logo for them, and then I will be able to make $60 per logo, or maybe more than $60 per logo. So this is how we can use Canva. Similarly, I can go with presentations, and I can create presentations for my client right here on Fiverr, and they will simply pay me for it. There are high paying jobs such as video editing. Now, if I go to video editing right here, and video editors actually charge hundreds of dollars per hour if they're good. Even as a complete beginner, let's go with maybe $30 per hour, and we know that making a video takes a little time, so you can actually make $200 to $300 per video. And if you're getting like more than one video, then you can of course make more money. So we can edit videos on Canva. Canva has a video editing option right here. Similarly, I can create social media posts. You can become a social media manager, and you can create different posts for your clients using Canva. We can also create different music videos. We can edit different videos. We can do photo editing using Canva. We can actually create NFTs using Canva. We can create gaming art. We can create website designs. We can create menu designs, invitation cards, and more using Canva.com. So using Canva is really easy, and we can use it for different purposes, and it allows us to make money. I can not only use Fiverr, I can also go with Upwork, and we can actually work on more than one jobs, and I can create as many gigs as I like, and I will be able to make money. And the more professional you get, the good thing about Canva is it's really professional, and it gives you the right product that you wanted to create. It will give you all the tools that you needed, and it will help you create something amazing for your client. And this way you will get more professional, you will get more reviews, and you can of course increase your price to a point where you are making hundreds of dollars per video, and you can charge for video editing. And of course you have a lot of different options. We can also create landing pages using Canva. If I go right here again, I can just show you more of the options. We have whiteboard animation available. In social media, you can create Instagram post, Facebook post, Twitter post, and YouTube post, and make money, of course. Even we can simply create different posts for Instagram. That's what we do, and we get more famous on Instagram, and that also helps us make money. So we have photo editors, video editors right here. We have flyers, we have posters, stickers. You can also create stickers using Canva, which is amazing. We have cards, calendars, and invitation. So this is freelancing platform. If you want to create a blog, then you can use Canva for your landing page. If you are an event manager, you can create your invitations using Canva. So Canva helps us with all of the different, niches and that we're working on, and it helps us make money. We can use Canva for our marketing campaigns to make money and to sell our products and to actually create high quality professional campaigns and do marketing. So these are the different ways you can use Canva for making money. It will help you make thousands of dollars in no time. You can use Canva affiliate marketing and Canva.com to create designs for your clients, for your different companies, and make money. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to earn money using Canva. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.